90% Shopify store fail at the earliest stage, and they blame the competition, algorithm, and the platform. But what we have found is that most sellers focus on wrong things. They throw money at Facebook ads, they launch new products, they switch strategies every month. We Ecomclips have been in the e-commerce game for over a decade. We scaled Shopify store for many brands, turned over $1 million every single year. So we deal with all the problems. Sales drop, sellers panic, they spend more on ads, but ads don't work. They shift to a new strategy that doesn't work either. Not because they are bad at marketing, but because their fundamentals are broken. So, in this video, I am breaking down the 5 non-negotiating fundamentals every Shopify founders need to nail before doing anything else. Let's dive in. Fundamental 1. Create an irresistible offer. This is where Shopify marketing actually starts. Not with Facebook ads, not with SEO, not with influencers. It starts with your offer. And it's all starts with discount. So in the dashboard, you're gonna see here is the discount is. Now, after clicking, this discount page opened. And here you can see all the discounts we created. Okay, to create new discount, we have to click on create discount button. Now, these are the types of discounts we can create. Amount of product, buy X, get Y, amount of order, free shipping. The process for all is pretty much the same. Let's start the first one, amount of products. This is a discount on specific products or collection. So if I click on this, first we need to select the method, then discount code. We can generate code from here as well. Next, discount value. We can set up percentage or fixed amount. Now, need to apply on product or collection. Need to select the purchase type. After that, eligibility. Who's gonna get the offer? And then have to select the minimum purchase requirements. Also, we have to select maximum discount users. After that, need to select combinations and then start and end it. After all done, we need to save. And that's how we can create add amount of products. Now, like this one, you can add all of those discounts offered to attract buyers. Fundamental 2, treat content as fuel. Yeah, content is the king. These have the power to enlighten people about your product, about your brand's presence. Now, there are many forms of content. So, write your title that is not only detailed but also SEO friendly. Next, you need to write a product description. Focus on the key selling points. Also, highlight the features so that the shoppers understand the products better. And don't forget to add keywords. It helps appearing in the Google search. To shine and get traffic, you need to focus on social media content as well. A LinkedIn profile, a Facebook page, blog articles, that will help. You don't need thousands of views. You don't need to post 5 times a day. Content has one job. Answer questions, build authority, create familiarity. Shorten the time from who are you to I am buying. Fundamental 3, master one acquisition channel. This is where most Shopify founders sabotage themselves. They want to do everything. Meta ads, Google ads, TikTok, email, SEO, influencer, Pinterest, Snapchat. When you try to do 10 things, you become 10% good at all of them. The store that scale, they go 100% in one thing until they master it. We Ecomclips mentored one of our sellers who started at $1,000 per month. He is now doing more than 10,000 per month and he only runs Google ads. That's it. And he is absolutely boss at it. There are 2 types of traffic. One, demand capture. People already searching for solutions on Google ads, Bing ads, SEO, AI search platforms. Number two, demand generation. People who don't know they need you yet. Facebook, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, YouTube, influencer marketing. Pick one, master it. Then and only then add another. Fundamentals 4. If you can't convert, capture. You have built your offer, you have created content. Traffic is coming in, but here is a reality most people won't buy. Even great Shopify stores convert at around 5%. Most founders focus on only 3%. They obsess over increasing conversion rate. But what about 97% people who left? You spend money getting them there. Don't let them disappear. So here is the strategy. Build your list. If you can't convert them, capture them. The easiest way, email. But people don't give out their email for nothing. You need an incentive. And no, subscribe to our newsletter for updates doesn't work anymore. So I can figure out the bad approaches like get updates, join our community, where you can do these good updates like 10% off on your first order. It works very well. 20% discount for new customers. Free shipping on your first order. Free gift worth $20 with your next purchase. Think about this. How much would you pay to acquire a customer? If your product is $100, would you spend $10 to get a sale? Use that number to craft your pop-up incentive. And once you capture them, email them consistently at least once a week because that email is a list how much you bring them back. Fundamental 5. Always plan the second sale first. This is where the real money is made. The Shopify store that scale understood one thing. You don't make profit on the first sale. You make it on the second, third and fourth. If you spend $100 to acquire a customer and they only buy once, you are barely break even. But if they come back and buy again, that's pure profit. You are already paid to acquire them. How to engineer repeat purchase? Ask yourself, will they buy the same product again? Can you upsell them to premium version? Is there a complementary product they need? Can they buy a similar product in a different category? Would they buy as a gift or someone else? Then engineer your business around that. Use email, send replenishment reminders, offer bundles, create subscription options with apps like Recharge or Bolt. The stores that win are the ones are thinking, how many times can I get this customer to buy from me per year? Because it's 10x easier to sell someone who already trusts you than to find a new customer. If you fix these 5 fundamentals, everything else gets easier. Your ads work, your store converts, your business grows. And if you want step-by-step breakdowns, real Shopify case studies, and exact systems we use to scale e-commerce brands, subscribe to Ecomclips. We drop new videos every week to help you build your profitable, scalable Shopify business. Now go fix your fundamentals and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.